So one of the types of fields that you can add in is a photo field. But if you want the photo field to actually show a preview before the submission, then you can actually go ahead and use a widget for that. So for that, I'm going to go to add element, and then I'm going to go under widget. And if I were to go ahead and scroll down here, you can see that image upload preview is an option. If I were to click right here, then what happens is that this gets inserted. Let me just go ahead and keep it on the top right here. And here what I'm going to do is, let's say for example, I'm going to say upload your image, let's say for example. So once I go ahead and do that, I can go to widget setting, and you can see the button text says browse and preview an image. So let me just go ahead and say something like upload and preview, and then that will be shown out. You can even add in a custom CSS if you want to, and then click on update. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to properties right here, and you can go ahead and change out the alignment as you like as well, but I don't really have, let's say like align it to the left or right here. I can enable and disable the label as I want to, and then I can change around the label alignment as I want as well, and I can change around the width and height of the field as I want as well. So I can make it less or more as I want to right here, and change the height as well. I can make it compulsory or not, duplicate out the field as I want, but let me just go ahead and remove it. And apart from that, I can go around onto advanced and then shrink this out as well, and shrink out, let's say both, to actually keep it one after another in the same line, or I can move it to a new line or hide the field temporarily as well. As with any other fields, I can see the unique name right here as well. And then apart from that, you can go ahead and change the widget name as well. But let me just go ahead and remove and delete this field right here. And then I'm going to go to properties and then remove out the shrink. And in the field label, I'm going to go around over here onto widget name, and I'm going to go around and say image area right here. So I'm just going to go around and say upload image right here, just like this. So now if I were to actually go ahead onto preview form right here, let's just go ahead and click right there. Then you can see that upload and preview is an option. Go ahead and click, and then once you do that, you can go around onto the folder where you have your image, let's say for example. So let's just go around over here, and you can see that I have an image right here. So let's just go ahead and select the one I want and click on open, and then the image gets uploaded as you can see right here, and you can see a preview of how it looks as well. So you got an idea of it before you submit. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the image upload preview widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.